Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The distance of the point P minus 6, 8 from the origin is. Now we know distance of any point from distance of any 2 points from each other is given by distance equal to under root of x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square units. Now, since coordinates of origin are 0, 0, distance of OP will be equal to, let's see, under root of 0 minus of minus 6 whole square plus 0 minus 8 whole square units, that is equal to minus of minus 6 is plus 6, 6 square is 36. So under root of 36 plus 8 square, that is minus 8 square is 64, so plus 64, which is equal to under root of 100, which is equal to 10 units. Since we are calculating distance, we can ignore negative value of square root. So this is 10 units. Answer is option C.